Hey, I saw this prank and it was kind of fucked up. And you know, kids are not social media props. I don't understand why people keep doing this, but
Served my son aggressively. It broke my heart.
I'm gonna skip forward just a tad. But it happens about right here. He says, "You scared me."
Why did you do that?
Why? Why did you do that? Look at his face. Look at the emotions.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I was just kidding.
Now he's crying.
Baby. I'm just playing. It's okay.
So let's download this video and look at it a little bit more because there's some emotions on here that I missed without going frame by frame. So watch his eyes right when she slams down the bottle. You see? So the main issue with the video is really at his facial expressions right at the 44-second mark, which we already went over, but it happens right there. See, there's 1, 2, and 3. And then he starts crying. So if you go right here, this moment in time for the kid, this is instilled in their head permanently. Like, this feeling is not just a prank to them in that moment, if that makes sense. So even after, if she says it is a prank, that what happened is still, it fucked with the kid's head, and he might cry and stuff like that, but it doesn't matter. And that right there can have an effect and come out later. So I don't think this is a good idea at all. This shit's fucking crazy. All for social media and stuff. It's nuts, man.